Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Learn ICT with Kiki. And today I just want to quickly go over a gold setup that I missed during the London session. I overslept, but I just want to go back and show you the setup that I would typically take if I was up during that time. So right now we are looking at the 15-minute chart. I already have my chart marked up. So what I have here, the green box is the bullish daily fair value gap. And as you can see, this is an intermediate term low that was broken through with displacement on a 15-minute chart. And this here is the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Also, these vertical lines here marks the time, the London session time, which is 2 a.m. And this one here marks 5 a.m. So this is the time frame that I would have been trading in. All right, so let's say that I wake up 2 a.m. and I would be right here. If I look to the left, I do see just recently it was a market structure shift on a 15-minute chart to the downside. All right, so I would have drawn out that bearish fair value gap, and I never take trades before 3 a.m. So I would have waited until 3 a.m. and right here is 3 a.m. We have a doji formed at 3 a.m. And typically I just would wait until price would come back up into that bearish fair value gap and then show a reaction that or a market structure shift down on a 1 minute, and that would be my entry. If I'm looking to take profits, I would look to the left and see I have a bullish fair value gap here as well as an order block. Me trading gold, I know that typically gold respects order blocks. So I would mark that out and look to possibly take a profit at the top of that order block. Okay, so let's just go down to the 1 minute and look and see what happened here at 3:30 when price tapped back into that bearish fair value gap. All right, so here we are on the 1 minute. Let's see. All right, so we're on the 1 minute. The first thing that catches my attention are these relative equal highs. So we have relative equal highs here, and it was taken out on a stop run, and it tapped back into this bearish 15-minute fair value gap. So now I would just mark off any intermediate term lows that are formed and wait for a market structure shift break through that intermediate term low with displacement. So I would mark this off and wait and see how price reacts. It taps into it here, it taps into it again here, and it breaks through that intermediate term low with this candle. However, it comes back up and closes above it. So that is not considered displacement for me. This one here is displacement, but there's no fair value gap. So I will continue to mark off the most recent intermediate term lows to see if one is broken through with displacement and a fair value gap. Here we have one broken through with displacement and we have that fair value gap. This one is the most recent intermediate term low. Let's mark out that fair value gap because this is our entry. We have two opportunities here, this 1 minute candle and this 1 minute candle tapped into that. I would typically enter at the bottom of that bearish fair value gap. And you can place your stop either above the high of the candle that caused that displacement. So this candle here, or the high of the candle before that. And for me, I like the high of the candle before that, even though the other one obviously gives you a better risk to reward. But I would typically pick this one because it's also a swing high point because the high of this candle to the left and right of it is lower than this candle, right? So that one is a swing high. And again, with taking my target, my profit target from that 15-minute chart, I would just target either 2R, 3R, or I would target the top of that 15-minute bullish order block. And as you can see, that 15-minute bullish order block is right here. And if I'm targeting the top of that, that gives me exactly 3R. Typically, I risk $300 um on my 50K accounts. So that would be $900. Risking 300 to make 900. This trade would have been a success. I would have gotten in at 4:05 a.m. and gotten out at 4:09. So that's making $900 in just a few minutes, considered a scalp. And yes, that's pretty much the trade that I look for every day. I will be posting more content like this. If you like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe and look for more videos like this in the future.